British detective on American soil, Sherlock Holmes is now on an electrifying investigation.
Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Honey, it takes a villain to make you an angel. I am sorry, but I didn't mean to burn the heart out of you.
The game is afoot.
So, have you uncovered the fatal flaws of Chinese EVs, Sherlock?
Joe, I've uncovered the fatal weakness of their bias.
You mean their obsession with pandas?
No, it's great price and performance.
Are you implying that Chinese EVs are cheap, nice knockoffs?
Well, their top dog outruns Tesla not just in price, but in patent filings by a factor of 16, and you make the call.
Interesting. So how many Chinese government subsidies have you found out? As it seems like a diamond in a dollar store.
Oh, the state subsidy talk is like Mrs. Hudson, still blunt yet persistent. Now answer me. What's the most expensive part of an EV?
Elementary. Battery.
They could take up half an EV's cost just because of
expensive minerals and R&D investments. That's elementary again.
Not bad, Joe. When Chinese battery makers, armed with decades of experience, decide to hit the EV stage, it's not just a performance, it's a blockbuster. Plus, with hundreds of domestic competitors, you get a good price for a good ride. That's just how it works, period.
Oh, those traditional car makers must be sweating bullets.
Oh, they're like old dogs slow to adopt new tricks, thinking they've already sniffed out the best backyard. But you know what, Joe? Chinese EV makers have taken car driving into a digital era with their top-notch programmers.
Programmers? Like this? Hi, John. I want some news.
From The Economist, China's EV onslaught.
Oh, voice assistant is ancient. Imagine video chatting with your boyfriend and singing karaoke when you're stuck in a traffic jam. Although I sincerely hope you will spare me from such a musical catastrophe.
Oh, you'd better worry about a traffic catastrophe first, given my driving skills could get both of us gone with the wheels.
Then you've got to try autonomous driving.
Which is designed for me.
For you?
So basically you're saying Chinese EVs are no-brainers with no drawbacks.
Not quite as one serious before.
Oh, you mean it takes ages to charge an EV, right? That's past tense. With power swap, you will be back on road in 3 minutes. Faster than Mrs. Hudson would realize her beloved cookies have vanished into thin air.
No. The problem is it takes ages to find a charger. We've got measly 170,000 public charging ports here in the US. China has got millions.
Smart people always have their way arounds, like simply buying long-range models or stick to short-distance travels.
Oh, blast. We've already ordered a Chinese EV.
Well, it's adorable and affordable as you said, so yes, and why not?
I haven't mentioned the Achilles heel yet.
Oh, come on, if there were any, you will be blasted all over The Economist. By the way, your brother Mycroft just got one.
In the UK, my dear John Watson, and here's the glaring problem. We are in the United States of America.
What's wrong with our land of free? National security concerns?
Not yet. It's the Inflation Reduction Act, which not only imposes a 27.5% tariff on Chinese-made cars, but also renders them ineligible for tax credits. Interesting. So the US has built up a fortress to keep out Chinese cars, while China has given Tesla cheap land, low interest loans, and tax breaks for buyers.
Oh, so should I consider a Tesla Model 3 instead?
No again. Another fatal flaw.
What now?
That Tesla model doesn't qualify for a tax credit either.
You gotta be kidding, it's made in the US.
Its battery components are made in China.
I think I'll just ride on my feet.